Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where we uncover the fascinating tales hidden in the everyday objects around us. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, diving into the secrets that shaped our world, one object at a time. Let's explore what's hidden in plain sight. Today we're shining a light on a simple yet profound invention, the candle. Join me as we melt away the ages and discover how candles have lit up human history. Candles. We use them today mostly for ambience, perhaps during a power outage, but their role in history is much, much brighter. The earliest candles were not the wax sticks we know today, but were more likely torches, bundles of reeds soaked in fat. These primitive lights burned in ancient Egypt and Greece, where they were essential for everyday evening activities and rituals. Transitioning from the ancients to the Middle Ages, the technology of candles advanced significantly. In Europe, tallow, rendered animal fat, became a common material, though it smoked and smelled quite unpleasant. Imagine living in a time when the only way to extend the day into the night involved sitting in a smoky, greasy-smelling room. But let's not linger too long in the smog. By the Renaissance, beeswax candles became the gold standard. These burned cleaner and brighter, and importantly, they were much less stinky. However, beeswax was expensive, so these candles were primarily lit by the wealthy, often seen glowing in the windows of affluent homes and majestic cathedrals. Fast forward to the 18th century, whaling brought a new player into the candle game, spermaceti, a waxy substance harvested from sperm whales. This innovation led to candles that were even brighter and less prone to melting in the summer heat. Then came the big change in the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution. With it, new processes and materials like stearin, derived from animal fatty acids, and later paraffin, refined from crude oil, made candles cheaper and more accessible than ever before. Today, candles have taken on a new light in the form of art and luxury. Scented candles, made from soy or refined paraffin, not only light up our rooms, but also lift our spirits with aromatherapy and beautifully designed shapes. Thanks for joining me on today's journey into the past. Remember, there's wonder all around us, just waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to stay updated with our weekly mysteries and more curious finds. This is Ethan Carter, signing off until next time.